Hi everyone. In this video, we will be presenting Simplify, my group's project for Sprint 3 over data, AI, and machine learning. Simplify, in short, is a Chrome extension that summarizes any article you read with a singular click. Now, the problem that we wanted to address this sprint was the fact that as humans, we're bombarded with mountains of information in the forms of social media, news articles, YouTube, and other forms of media. And we wanted to create something that would allow us to filter through these bits of information and retain all the information we can get from it whilst cutting down on the time we spent on them. So we decided to create Simplify as a tool for anyone to use who wants to get caught up on what's going on in the world without spending a lot of time reading article after article. I'll give a quick demo on how Simplify works. So I have the Chrome extension loaded here. It's right here. And then what I need to do to use it is search up any news article. So I'm just literally going to type in news article and just go with the first one I find. So this article is pretty short, but Simplify can make this even shorter. So if I go to my Chrome extension, load up Simplify, it automatically generates a summary for the article. So instead of having to read the article, I can just read this quick summary and then move on with my day. And then I'll demonstrate another one to show like a longer article. So this one's a bit longer. Um, it has a few different headings, so there's probably a few themes in this article. But Simplify can also summarize this as well. So I load it up, it shortens it, and gives me all the relevant information about the article. The technologies we use for Simplify was Flask to host the web API, and we use Heroku to deploy it, and we use Newspaper 3K to read, like to take in articles and then generate summaries for them. And then to deploy the Chrome extension, we just used a Chrome extension. You can find this project on GitHub. So you can find it at github.com/MLHfellowship /simplify. And if you want to get this Chrome extension, you can download it for yourself. We have directions here. The reason why we weren't able to put this Chrome extension on the App Store was that you have to have a developer account, and that requires you to purchase it. And we didn't want to go through and buy a developer account for the Chrome extension. But you can just download it here. It's pretty simple. You just clone the GitHub repo, you choose a source folder, and then, yeah, it's pretty much deployed. In the future, we hope to try out other models for text summarization. One of the models are here. We're trying out the BART model by Facebook to improve the summaries that we get from Simplify. And then we also, yeah, this is just the BART model. And we also hope to add more features to the extension. So for example, like with this article, it's pretty long, but with that first article, it's a bit shorter. Like we want to add a feature where you can choose how long your summary is, and then also allow users to get summaries of PDFs and other things of that nature. So thank you for watching our video, and I hope you find our product useful. It's certainly really useful for us, and yeah,